Okay, let's get started. So, if you're trying to track expenses by customer and you're going to new and expenses and you don't see the customer column to track this expense by the customer, let's exit this. What we're going to do to turn it on is go to the top right hand corner and click on the gear icon under your company account and settings. Then we want to go to the expenses tab. This grayed out section, we have a pencil over here, and what we want to do is turn on track expenses and items by customer. So we turn it on, make sure you hit save here and then done. And now when we create a new expense, we can see that we have the customer column ready to use. If you click on the drop down, you have all your customers there. It's simple, just like that.